Right, we're all ready now for David's big night out, and we're just going to set off. If it's not raining, we'll walk. If it's raining, we'll get an Uber or something. And Choose all ready?
Yeah, already.
Well, we just had a quick bite to eat. We've met David upstairs, and we'll soon head off to the club. So we just left the Wetherspoons now, and we're heading down with David. David's in front, he's doing his vlog at the moment. It's gradually stopping raining, which is one thing, but we are piss wet through. It's actually a good job we're following him, because I've no idea where we are now. It's not too far away from our hotel. I remember looking at that on the maps. I'm trying to think what the bloody map called. Fountain Street. Actually, this rings a bell now. Fountain Street. We must be. We're still heading back really towards our hotel, so it's not too far away from there when we're finished later. We've lost David, so we're having to use Google Maps now.
Hey, there you go.
But
right. It works for the whole group.
we're just passing Canal Street where we was last night. It's still drizzling, but not too bad now. Come on, darling, keep up. Bloody hell, it's chilly now. You're getting warm, I'm bloody cold. So we've just arrived, it's area, and our hotel's literally straight on and turn right, I believe. So
Not too bad.
everyone's just turning up now. Looks like you're going to tell us fortune with your crystal ball. Sound? Oh wait. Oh, wristband. Is that free drinks all night?
give away some money tonight to say thank you to those who supported me. So, tonight I'm going to give away £1,000. And it is to two very special people, so I'm going to split it in half. And the first one is already left, so he shouldn't even get it. But the first one is to John. John Noel, his missus is going to come with him. And the second one is to someone very, very special who always helps me out, who's never in the limelight, who always puts me first before anyone. So Sam, I'm going to give you 500 quid tonight. I'm going to help you. Everyone, get on the fucking dance floor and dance. Come on.
Well, we've made it home. It's 2 AM in the morning now. Chew's half naked, so you can't see Chew. But we've had a really good night, and we'd like to thank David for his hospitality. And we hope to meet up again soon. Well, it looks like we'll be meeting up sooner than you think, as David has said he's going to book the 31st of January 2026 for another meet-up in Manchester. So I've booked my hotels, we're ready. So all being well, we'll be there on the 31st of Jan and do this all over again. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that one, and if you can give it the thumbs up, say hello in the comments, and most of all, please hit that subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.